In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your PayPal account directly to Discord, here is how you can easily do it. What you need to do is just head over to the bottom right where it says you. If you're not already in your profile, just click on that. And then you want to head over to the top right corner. You can see this little gear icon. Just click on this. This is settings. And within settings, you will find the account settings section right at the top. And if we scroll down a little bit, you will see this connections area. Just go ahead and click on that. And all the popular apps can be connected with this option easily. If you don't find PayPal here, don't worry, just click on 18 plus. And here it is. You might need to scroll down a little bit. If you don't find it on the top, just click on that and simply log in with your PayPal account using your email or mobile number. Follow the next steps. And as soon as you log in, it will automatically connect directly to your Discord account using an API, and that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.